cataracts and hurricanes, spout till you have drenched our steeples. Out the cops, you sulphurous and thought-executing fires. Singe my white head! And thou, forsaking thunder, smite back the thick rotundity of the world. Crack nature's moulds, all Germans spill at once that make in great war now.
Oh, no! In! Of my daughter's blessing! Oh, this is a night pities neither wise man nor fool.
And blow loud valiant war, spit fire, spout rain, nor rain, wind, thunder, fire. All my daughters I tax not you, you elements, with unkindness, and never gave you kingdom. Called you children. You owe me no subscription, none that fall. Your horrible pleasure, here I stand, your slave. Poor, infirm, weak, and despised. Old man, and yet I call you servile ministers at will, with two pernicious daughters. Join your high-engendered battles against a head as old and white as this.
He that has a house to put his head in has a good headpiece. The Comte de Kent will house before the head has an ear. The head and he shall out. The bed is very many, but there was never yet fair woman, but she made mouths in a glass.
Oh, I'll be the pattern of all patience. I will say nothing. Who's there?
Marry, here's grace, and a codpiece, as a wise man, and a fool.
Alas, sir, you hear? Things that love night love not such nights as these.
The great gods that keep this dreadful pot at all our heads find out their enemies. Now tremble, thou wretch, there hast in me, and in those crimes, and whipped to justice, I did a bloody hand. Thou perjured, and thou simula of virtue that art incestuous, close spent up guilt, rive your concealing continence, and cry these dreadful summerless rays. I am a man more sinned against than sinning.
Alack, bareheaded. Gracious my lord, hard by here is a hovel. Some friendship will it lend you against the tempest. Repose you there.
My wits begin to turn muddy. Not disturbed by our colds. I'm cold myself. Where is this straw? My fellow, the art of our necessities is strange, and can make vile things precious. Cut your hovel for knave and foe. There's one part of my heart that's sorry, yet willing.
He that had and a little tiny wind, the hey-ho, the wind of the rain, must make